Hey, if you've been kicking around the idea of buying a rental property, you hear about how crazy the rental market is or the investment market in real estate, and you're like wondering how you get a piece, I have an amazing idea, if I do say so myself. This is hot off the presses, something new we're working on that I think is a great strategy right now. Homes are appreciating like 18% right now in the market. It's just craziness and getting hotter. So, and this is both Phoenix and San Diego where we have markets. So here's this new strategy I love. Right now, a lot of buyers, I take 5 of these calls a week. Buyers who want to buy a property, they're moving from some other place to San Diego to Phoenix, but they need a place to live in the short term, right? And they can go rent an Airbnb. That's going to cost a fortune though. Also, they have all their stuff, right? They've got to put somewhere. Or they can go do like a 12-month lease, but that's kind of too long. They want to start looking to buy a house. So there's this huge need for like midterm rentals, like 3 to 6 months. And homes are appreciating like crazy. So here's what we're doing now. We are helping people to buy rental properties, just like our kind of normal, cookie cutter type rental properties, nice neighborhoods, lower end of the price range. For Phoenix, that's 350-ish. For San Diego, that's 450-ish. And don't furnish them, right? Because you could do Airbnb and buy all the furniture, and it takes forever. It's expensive. This is leave it unfurnished and put it on, Zillow. You can have a property manager do this. That's fine. Get it all marketed as a midterm rental. You can even charge a premium because there are very few of these available. So you could charge maybe 10, 15% premium on it. And you get people into maybe a 3 or a 6 month lease, and then they go month to month. So this does a couple things. One, it solves a demand in the market that's really big right now. So you'll have 10 applications your first weekend. 2, you can charge more. You can charge a little premium. 3, we pay attention to the market, and we don't think there's any problems. I've talked a lot about that. I don't think there's any market correction coming, but if there is, this is not the stock market. It doesn't change overnight. It changes over a period of months, and we're paying attention to it very closely every single day. And we're, I think, like 95% sure of this, going to see it coming if and when it does come. So you've got this short-term tenant in there. You're not locked into some long thing. And if the market starts to turn like a big oil tanker turning around in the harbor, you're going to start to see it. We're going to start to see it and go, okay, great. My lease is now month to month because the 3 months is up, or I wait 3 months or whatever. Things don't turn that quickly. Now you've got a much shorter term lease. Once that person's out, much easier to sell the property, get the thing listed, and off you go. So I love this midterm rental strategy. And if you're interested, let us know. If you've been looking for a property already and you're like, what do I buy? We can tell you exactly what to buy, what the right product is for this kind of a investment. Or if you've been a little worried about like a market correction and you want to be able to have a get out quick plan, this is a good way to do that. This wouldn't work in a normal market where appreciation was 3% because, it might work, but you can't count on the appreciation like you can now. Appreciation is a given. That's like a certainty for the next 6 months, 9 months, a year. It's after that we don't know. And so let's ride the appreciation wave, get a little bump on your rent, and also keep some of that flexibility to have someone in there kind of midterm in case the market shifts. So let us know if you want us to help you out with that. We'd be happy to set you up with some great properties that we think would be a nice fit for that. Thanks so much.